See, the simple interest on certain sum of money. See, certain sum of money, simple interest. Certain sum of, see here, this is the sum. Simple interest for certain sum of money for 5 years. That means 5 years. Certain sum of money for 5 years. I'll put it here only, I'll work it out. The sum of the simple interest on certain sum of money for 5 years at 8%. 8% per annum is 20 rupees less than. That means 20 rupees less than 20 rupees less than this, less than the simple interest on the same sum for 3 years. T2 is equal to 3 years and 4 months, and rate of interest is equal to 18% per annum. That means simple interest of the first case and simple interest of the second case, that means this is 20 rupees less than this. You read the problem properly. The simple interest on certain sum of money, see it, you have to be very good in English. They will twist and give. You have to understand and put it in a proper form. This is called idea. There is no shortcut. See, I don't think so any shortcut or anything. You have to apply your idea, intelligence here. The simple interest of certain amount for what? 5 years at 8% per annum is 20 rupees less. More means plus. Less, 20 rupees less than the simple interest on the same sum of money for 3 years and 4 months and 18. See how it is going, really a problematic. This English language, see how it start. What we talk or direct from Indian language to English, this is the problem. The simple interest is going like this. See, the simple interest on certain sum of money for 5 years and 8% per annum is less than the simple interest of the same amount for 3 years, 4 months and 18%. See how is this? Very problematic. It is going like this. It is coming like this, then it is going like this, again going like this. So very difficult. See, your mind read like this, but you have to put it in the statement. Therefore, what is the statement? Simple interest for the first case is less than by 20 rupees than the simple interest of the second case, and find out P. If, what is P? Here T1 is 5 year, R1 percentage is what? 8%, and here T2 is 3 year and 4 month. See, 4 month is equal to 4 by 12 year. That means 1/3 of the year, right? 3 plus 1/3 of the year, or or 3 1/3, or 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10/3 year. Therefore T2 is how much? 10/3 year. Okay. Now I'll write it. What is the simple interest for this? This is the equation, that is P R percent T1 minus 20 rupees equal to P R percent, here R1, here R2 into T2. I don't know how they will be using in your schools. See, this is a natural method of solving the sum. You can't cancel P. If it is equal, you can cancel P. P, no? The P R percent. R1 means R1 is 8% means by 100 into T1 is equal to 5 minus 20 is equal to P. R2 is what? Percentage. What is the percentage? 18%. 18% means by 100 into T2 is what? 10 by 3. I will try to simplify this one. I want to find out here. Therefore, P, how many times it goes? 20 times, 5 times. So this is, 2 times, this is 5 times. Therefore, P 2 by 5 minus 20. See, 25 is 100, 20 here 8, 2 times 4 2s are 8, 5 4s are 20, 5 by 20. See, P, how many times it goes? 6 times it goes. Here 0 0 get cancelled. P 6 3 times, here 5 times. Or else you write P 6 by 10. Can you write like this? See, 18 6 times. 3 3 get cancelled, 6. Here 10 10 by 10. Then again what? Here 3 times, this is 5 times. Therefore, 2P by 5 minus 20 equal to 3P by 5. You send that side or you bring this side. 2P by 5 minus 3P by 5 is equal to 20. What is this? Something somewhere, some mistake, somewhere we have done it. Actually, here the difference is what? This minus this is 20. This minus this 20, but I did a mistake here. This is more, this is less. Therefore, reading is what? Less means I should have put plus here. Equatingness. This plus this, not minus, plus. You understood? See, this is the mistake. I should have added. Therefore, the plus. Now you will get the answer correctly. Right? See, I'll write it here properly. 2P by 5, 2P by 5 plus 20 is equal to 3P by 5. Multiply throughout by 5. So multiply by 5, 2P, 5 get cancelled. 5 into 20, again 5 get cancelled, equal to 3P. This is how much? 100. If it goes right, 100 is equal to 3P minus 2P. Therefore, P is equal to 100 you will get here. Right? What is the answer? We have to find out. That is the answer. What answer you are going to get it, don't know. No, the answer is correct. Therefore, the simple interest on certain, again I'll do it now. Is it possible to do in such a small space? We'll try. The simple interest on certain sum of money is P. P is certain sum of money for 5 years. T1 is equal to 5 years and rate of interest is 8% per annum, is 20 rupees less than the sum, right? Simple interest of the first case is so much less than, means you have to add 20 than the simple. Here what is it? Time, so 20 less than the simple interest on the same sum for 3 years. Second case, that means T2 is equal to 3 year 4 month. 3 year 4 month at the rate of 18%. That means 3 year plus 4 month means 4 by 12 year. That means 3 plus 4 by 12 is 1 by 3 or 3 1 by 3. What it? This is 9 plus 10 by 3 years. Therefore, this is 10 by 3 years. Therefore, simple interest for this one, principal, rate of interest and time T1 plus 20 is equal to same principal, but rate of interest is different, time also different. Now the principal rate of interest R1 is what? 5%. 5 by 100. Time is, this is what? 8%, sorry. 8%. Time is 5 years plus 20 equal to same principal, rate of interest is here 18% into T2 is 10 by 3. Now you have to calculate T. See, this is how many times it goes? 20 times. This is 4 times, right? Or this is 20 times, this is 5 times, sorry. Therefore, 2p by 5, 2p, this is 2, this is 5, 2p by 5. Minus plus 20 is equal to this 6 times 10, this is 3p by 5. You send this side, 3p by 5 minus 2p by 5 equal to 20. 5 is LCM, 3p minus 2p equal to 20. The p by 5 equal to 20, or p is equal to 20 into 5, or p is equal to 100. The principal is equal to 100. You done it. You got it? Therefore, 2-3 times if you do work it out, this type of sums, you can do it very fast. See, in the examination, by looking at the self immediately, within short time you can find out. See, it is like this, very simple. Suppose somebody else some one of your friend is giving his house address to find out, right? To find this house address, it will take 1 or 2 hours. The first day. Second day, within half an hour he'll go and reach. Third day, within 10 minutes you can find out his house, however complicated the place is. Therefore, 2-3 times if you practice, and you will know the trend of the problem. And it contains lot of tricky English. Okay, and you should be more analytic mind. Okay, therefore the same principle is given. See, simple interest on certain amount, certain sum. Certain sum means same fixed amount there. Okay. See, now a sum of money invested. See, sum P is the sum of money invested at the rate of 20%. Okay, of simple interest. Amounts, then what is the amount you are getting? The amount is 650. Rupees 650. What is the year? 1.5 year. Time is 1.5 year. Rate is this. What will be the amount? In 2 years. That means this is T1, this is R1. In 2 years, and rate is what? 12%. What will be the amount now? What is this amount? Principal is same. Principal is same. Now how to start with? Amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. The amount in the first case is what? 650. This is the principal, and principal plus principal into rate of interest. Rate of interest and time. That means this is equal to 650 equal to P plus P, rate of interest is 20 by 100 into time is 1.5 year. 1.5 year is what do you get? 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Therefore here 3 by 2. Therefore 650 plus P here 0 0 get cancelled, this also get cancelled, into 3 by 2 to get cancelled, 3 by 10. Then this is 10P plus 3P by 10. Take the LCM and do it. Therefore what? 13P by 10. Therefore 650 equal to 13P by 10. Okay. Therefore 65 into 100 into 13P. How many times? 5 times it goes, right? Therefore P is equal to 65 by 100 by 13. 5 times it goes. P is equal to 500. The principal is equal to 500 rupees. Right? Now the question is, same amount, what is the amount you are going to get it? With the principal, same principal. Okay, with the simple interest, different interest rate. That is P plus, this is the principal, rated different rate, that is 12%, and different time T2, that is equal to P plus P rate is how much? 12 by 100 into T2 is what? 2. Here P plus P is what here? 500. 500, 12 by 100 into 2. This 100 get cancelled. 5 12s are 60, 120. You get this P is how much? 500 plus this is 120. Okay, this is a simple interest. Therefore the amount is how much? Amount is equal to 500 plus 120. How much? Rupees 620. The amount is 620. Now this is a very very tricky sums, and with the 5 marks for this. Just go through this several times, you do it, this type of sums. It's the most important sum. Very very important sum. 4-5 times you have to do it. Otherwise, it's very difficult. And another sum. A shopkeeper borrows. See, this is a shopkeeper borrowed 20,000 from 2 money lenders. Your money lenders. I will do this problem here because spaces are there. The shopkeeper borrows 2 money lenders A and B. How much he borrowed? 20,000 for a loan. He paid how much? 12%. In other places, what? 14% per annum. After 1 year, he paid. Year is what? T is equal to 1 year. Here also T is equal to 1 year. T1 and T2 1 year. After 1 year, he paid 2560 as an interest. Total interest is what? 2560 as an interest. How much did he borrow from each person? How much he borrowed from each person? How much? 20,000. That means, what is the principal he has taken? P1 plus P2 is equal to 20,000. He has borrowed, right? Now you have to plan it and do this. If P1 is equal to P, this is P2 is equal to 20,000. Therefore, P2 is equal to 20,000 minus P. Right? Therefore, how you have to make it? P1 is P, P2 is 20,000 minus P. Let us see how to happen. And T1 and T2 are same. It's really a difficult sum. Simple interest. He has paid how much? After 1 year, he paid as an interest. That means simple interest from A plus simple interest by B is equal to how much money? 2560. Right? That means simple interest is what? P1 R1 percent T1. Again what? P2 R2 T2 R2% is equal to 2560. T1 is 1 year. This is also 1 year. Therefore, P1 R1, this is 1 year. Similarly, P2 R2, this is R2%, this is also R2%. This is also 1 year is equal to 2560. Right? Now, how to start with? See, this is an idea. For me, I got it. Therefore, let the shopkeepers borrow. See here, P1 R1 plus P2 R2, this percentage is equal to 2560. What is P1? P1 is P. P1 is P. R1. What is R1 percentage? R1 is 12%. R2 is 14%. R1 is 12%. Year is 1 only. P2 is what? What is the P2 value? P2 is 20,000 minus P. That means 20,000 minus P. R2 is equal to 14%. Is equal to 2560. Multiply throughout by 100. I will do it here. Okay. If I multiply by 100, what I'll get? 100 cancel, 12p. I'll get 12p. Plus 100 get cancelled, plus 20,000 minus p into 14 is equal to 12560 into 100. Therefore, 12p plus 20,000 minus into 14 minus 14p equal to, multiply this, is equal to 2560 into 100. What is this? 12p minus 14p, you will get minus 2p. Minus 2p. 14 into 2, 27, 0, 0, 0, 0, 4, 0 is equal to 256000. Right? You send this side, you bring this side. Therefore, 271234 minus 256000 is equal to 2p plus 2p. How much you get? 0, 0, 0, 10 minus is 4, 6 minus 1, 5, 14,000 is equal to 2p. Therefore, what get? 2p is equal to 14,000. The p is equal to 14,000 by 2. How much? P is equal to 7,000. Okay, P is equal to 7,000. Therefore, the person bought, the two persons, what, A plus B, he bought here, this principal here, P1, here P2. P1 is equal to P. What is the P value? Rupees 7,000. 7,000 he borrowed from A. P2 is equal to 20,000 minus P. That means 20 minus 7 is how much? 14,000. 14,000 from B he borrowed. From A he borrowed 7,000. If I add this, you will get the 20,000. What is the interest for this one? He borrowed 12%. Year is 1 year. Here R2 is what? 14%. Year is what? 1 year only. How much did he borrowed at each rate? He borrowed 7,000 and 14,000. Understood? Therefore, this type of sum are very much, very difficult it looks, but I don't know, you need a lot of brain for this. Okay, that means 7,000 or 12,000. Still we have a, let us see, just verify and see. See, I have my own doubt, I am not getting it proper. Let us see. First person, 12%, no? The principal, how much we are getting it here? P, calculation of P is very, very important. P, 12% means 12 by 100 into 1 year, plus P2 is what? 20,000 minus P and 14%, is it not? 14% into 1 year is equal to 2560. This calculation is a big dig, right? Therefore, what? Multiply through it by 100, 12p plus 14 into 100 get cancelled, 14 into 20,000 minus P is equal to 2560. another 0. Correct. Therefore 12p 12 14 250, that for 12p plus 14 into 2 28. Here what I did 14 into 2 27 I written. That's a mistake. While doing the sum, no, I thought some mistake I will be doing it. I don't know, say 14 2s are 28, but 27 I written. What made me to think like this? That is the question. You know the reason? As I was doing the problem, this corporation people are making a lot of sound, noise. Right? Therefore, it was diverted. That is the reason. Therefore, slightly diversion. What 14 and 7 somehow related. 27 I did it. Such a simple mistake, it leads to something else. 28,000, 28, 0, 0, 0, 0, right? 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 40, no? 40 minus 14p equal to 25600, 0. Then what? Minus 14p minus 2p, therefore you send that side. Minus this and this minus 2p, therefore 2p equal to 28,000 minus 25,600. Right? Therefore, divided 280. This is how much? Therefore, 2p is equal to 24 24000. Right? Then p is equal to 12,000. Therefore, A he bought rupees 12,000. From B he bought what? 20k minus 12k. That means from B he bought 8,000. This type of sum is very, very important. See, how much, little diversions lead to wrong answer. Therefore, if you are an IAS officer or any officer or you are running a big organization, you should not get distracted. If otherwise you will be losing it and you will be lost. Your project will be out. Therefore, any assignment is given, you should not get perturbed or disturbed. This is for that reason only I am doing a lot of mistakes, knowingly or unknowingly I am doing it. But you should not do the mistake. Teacher can do the mistake, right? But students should not do the mistake in the exam. This is called trial and error. And what student think? Student think teacher should be perfect. He has to do all the sum perfectly. That is not possible. That is a wrong concept. Teacher also learn along with you, right? But students are 100 times better than the teachers. Teacher only guides. But quickness, fast, how fast you do it, it depends upon your ability, right? When your age, we have done it. Now we know only how to guide, that's all, right? But simple calculations, we don't do it. We can't. We have done it, we have forgotten. But we have the basic and main ideas there. Therefore, we are like a PT master, but PT master cannot run faster than the students. But without PT master, student cannot run. Therefore, just you follow, you do several times, and whatever the mistakes, see each sum you have to do independently 5-6 times, and you have to commit a lot of mistakes, and unless or otherwise you are perfect, you can't go to the next sum. Okay? Thank you.